Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if iPhone 16 Pro Max supports dual SIM. Here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and in the American version it doesn't have a physical SIM card slot, but it can store up to 8 eSIM cards in its memory, but only 2 of them can be active at the same time, and you can change it in settings. In the European version of iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can put inside one physical nano SIM and store up to 8 eSIMs. Now I'm gonna show you how to insert a nano SIM. Find the SIM card slot which is on the left side of European version iPhone. Then put a SIM card tray opener inside of this hole, or a needle if you don't have the SIM card tray opener. Then take out the tray, put a nano SIM card inside, and then put it into the slot. Now the SIM card is installed and you can see I have the network access. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.